telling me that you want to perform the exercise.
I will perform the exercise, but you just asked me if I had questions.
Stop.
Whoa, this is wrong.
So would you like to perform the exercise?
I will perform it.
Okay, do you have any questions about the exercise?
Am I allowed to ask you a question, or are you going to
about the
turn
exercise?
it around?
Yes.
About the exercise. Now
what is your question?
Okay.
122 miles per hour on a Florida interstate with a near rollover on exit. That's not a close call on probable cause. That's a textbook stop. Under Whren versus United States, any observable traffic violation justifies a stop. Florida Statute 316.183 makes this speed a criminal offense. The exit order was lawful under Pennsylvania versus Mimms. The subject's admission of alcohol, combined with observed odor, began building DUI probable cause under Florida Statute 316.193, which requires either impaired faculties or back at or above .08.
Driver, you're on the middle of the interstate. Pull up to the exit. Driver, just stop. Stop your car. Good evening. My name is Officer Wilson with the Police Department. Is everything okay? Okay, what's going on with your driving? No, you didn't. Try again. I've been behind you since Howard.
If you go back in my car, you can see the whole, what is it called?
Do you have your license with you?
Yes, of course.
You need to find out your telephone?
What?
All right, hang off on doing that.
Take 2 seconds.
That's all right. Hang off on doing that. Step out of your car and come back here. Come on over here for me, please. Okay. All right, I'm going to set it right here. Okay. Do you see a doctor for any known medical conditions or anything like that?
I just got in a fender bender 2 weeks ago, and that's why I don't even know what it's called.
Okay. Well, I was referring to you personally. Do you see a doctor for any known medical conditions? All right, are you a diabetic?
My father is.
Okay, are you?
No, currently.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
Real estate.
I'm so sorry?
Real estate.
Real estate? Okay. The reason I'm asking you these questions, I can smell the odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath. How many alcoholic beverages have you had tonight?
One.
Had one?
Yes.
Okay. Why are we traveling 122 miles an hour on the exit?
Honestly, she just called me and she said, come back for me. And I was like, what are you talking about? And I had to make a exit. And
you realize you almost rolled your vehicle back there?
No, that's the thing. I didn't know because never had a Ranger.
All right, for our safety, let's step over here. That way this is in between us and the cars. I'll help you over. Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do is face me, please. Do you see the tip of this pen? And what color is the tip of that pen?
Red, orange.
Red, orange? All right, that's my finger. So follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and only your eyes. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
I'm from California. I don't do this rain and humidity.
Okay. So here's the deal.
I'm not used to this weather. I just got back from California a day ago.
All right, yeah, I understand that. But understand this is a very important process of this investigation. That's why just take a few minutes, just look, don't do anything else, just follow with your eyes, okay? All right. Based on everything that's going on, I'd like to ask if you'd be willing to take some additional field sobriety exercises. Those exercises... I'm sorry?
I don't go with alcohol. I literally was with my dog walker tonight, so I will do whatever you need me to do.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a little piece out of the trunk of my car, hang out with these officers just for a second, okay? All right, come on over right here to my line, please, facing me. So when I ask you to begin... Get a couple of these rocks out of here just to make sure.
So 11 steps.
Okay.
Because you just got
nope, 9 steps. So what I'm going to ask you to do.
2 rocks away.
Okay.
Nice,
like I said, I'm going to. So what I'm going to ask you to do.
It's really nice that you're trying to set me up for failure. But so 9 went to 11 because you just kicked 2 rocks away. So let's go. So you want me to step 9 steps or 11?
Like I said, I'm going to ask you to take 9 steps down this line, turn around like I'm going to show you, and take 9 steps back. So on and so forth, until you reach your 9th step. Hands rest naturally down by your pockets. not in your pockets or anything, just
I'm a
naturally
cheerleader.
by,
I
listen,
played volleyball in
okay,
college.
but by your side, like this, okay? Do you have any questions?
Yes.
What's your question?
What was your name?
Wilson,
Wilson. And what was your badge number?
137.
Florida?
Do you have any questions? Yes, you're in Florida.
Yes, I know. I'm in Florida.
Okay, well, you said Florida.
I just.
So, do you have any questions about the exercise?
I just asked you a question.
And I answered both of
And
them.
you just said, yes, you're in Florida. Very
Yes.
aggressive.
Okay. Do you have a question about the
I just
exercise?
asked you your name and your badge number.
Do you have a question about the exercise? Okay. Once you begin
So
the
Wilson,
exercise,
137
you cannot
Florida.
stop the exercise until you've completed the exercise. All right? And once you begin, I cannot answer any questions. So, again, do you have any questions?
Wilson, 137, Florida.
Yes. Do you have any questions?
How long have you been in the force?
That's got nothing to do with this,
You
ma'am.
just asked me.
Okay. Do you have any questions about the exercise?
Just asked you.
Do you have any? I don't want you to get confused here.
I'm not.
Do you have any questions about the exercise?
So my questions are based on the exercise, or my questions are like,
Do you need to see the exercise again?
no.
Okay.
Are my questions based on the exercise, or am I allowed to ask you any questions? Is what I'm
So,
asking. I just
I'm
asked
going to
you
ask
how
you
long
if you
were
have
with the
any
Tampa PD.
questions about the exercise so that you can perform the exercise. Okay? Are there any questions?
I hope they record that. Because you didn't
Would
say-
you like to perform the exercise?
Yeah, but you
Okay.
just asked me if
So
I had
if-
any
if
questions.
we are,
But
let's
you
go
just
ahead.
asked me if I had any questions.
So-
and you denied them.
So
I
here-
just asked
so-
you how many
So here,
years
hang
have
on,
you...
time out. That
Okay.
has nothing to do with this.
You just asked me if I had
We're
any
on the
questions.
side of the interstate.
You just asked me if I had
So
any
you can
questions.
argue with me
I'm
about
not arguing
this.
with you. You
Yes,
just
you
asked
are.
me if I had
You're
any
telling me
questions.
that you want to perform the exercise.
I will perform
but
the
you're
exercise,
you're-
but you just asked me if I had questions.
Stop.
Whoa, this is wrong.
So would you
This
like
is
to perform
wrong.
the exercise?
I will perform it,
Okay.
but
Do
you
you
just-
have any questions about the exercise?
Am I allowed to ask you a question, or are you going to
About
like
the
turn it
exercise?
around?
Yes.
About the exercise. Now
What is
you
your
just got
question?
very okay.
What is your
So
question
what
about the
is your
exercise?
name and your badge number? And
I'm
how
going
long
to give
have
you
been
an opportunity to perform the exercise. But I'm
But
not going to
wait.
sit here with 3 officers and yourself on the side of the road while you dance circles around this.
I'm not
So if you would like to perform the
dancing.
exercise, and if you don't have any questions,
I just
let's
had a
assume the
question.
let's
I just
assume the
asked you a
position
question that
that
you're
I
not
asked you to
answering.
remain in.
I
Okay.
just asked you.
All right. You're under arrest. Turn around. Stop. Stop.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing
When you twist and turn,
I'm not
it ain't gonna
doing
work.
anything.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything. I swear to God. Sir, I literally asked you like multiple times. I was like, why are you asking me? I asked you.
My job in this department and how long has nothing to do with you performing the exercise. Relax your hands, please.
It wasn't about exercise.
This is not a custody situation. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, a traffic stop does not trigger Miranda. Every statement made roadside is admissible. The HGN test detects involuntary nystagmus, a neurological response the subject cannot fake or suppress. It is the most reliable of the 3 NHTSA tests. The walk and turn was never completed, but that doesn't eliminate its value. Florida courts admit behavioral observations during the instruction phase as circumstantial evidence of impairment. Inability to follow a simple 9-step instruction is itself a clue. Requesting an officer's name and badge number is constitutionally protected. Verbal questioning during a non-custodial encounter does not constitute obstruction. Under Florida Statute 843.02, which requires an overt act of resistance, the officer provided his credentials each time that was the correct call. By arrest, the probable cause record included criminal speed, near rollover, alcohol odor, self-incriminating admission, and incomplete FSTs. Under State versus Cliphouse, Florida applies a totality of circumstances standard. This arrest is well supported on multiple independent grounds. The implied consent advisement under Florida Statute 316.1932 was accurate. Refusal means a 12-month suspension. The statement that the right to counsel has no relevance here is also correct, per South Dakota v. Neville, 1983.
You asked me,
All right, this officer is going to search you. Do you have anything on your persons that we need to know about?
nothing at all.
There we go. Let's put your shoes over here. Put your shoes on for me.
I will, but that's my...
It's going to go with you. It's going with you. Put your shoes on for me.
That's not the purse that I...
Okay. Come on. Let's walk so we don't have to carry you, please.
No, it's not. You
All that's going with you.
fine. That's totally fine. But
Hey, come on.
you literally asked me for
All right, turn around. Put your rear end on the. Put your rear end right here.
Swing your right leg over the
Come on.
over the wall.
All right, go ahead and lean back. Lean back in, Jimmy.
No, swing your right leg.
There you go.
Wait, why
There
are
you
you
go.
pulling me?
Because I don't want you to fall forward.
There you go.
Okay, you ready? Ready? Okay. Come on over. All right, well, just listen to what we're saying.
I am listening. I've been
You're gonna have a seat in my car, okay?
I've been listening this entire time.
All right, have a seat for me. Watch your
Should I
head.
put my feet in or no? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Put your butt in. All right, put your feet in.
I'm scared to move.
Okay. Goodness.
I can't breathe. I have anxiety.
All right, I'll roll the windows down. No, she straightened it out, buddy. But she was close.
Yeah.
She literally, if you lose it at 30 degrees, she was 29.8. I have your cell phone. I have credit cards and some gift cards. Do you have anything else in that car that you absolutely need? The contents of your wallet are in here. The wallet itself is going to stay in there. Okay. Step out of the car for me, please. Can you stand right here on my light for me, please? Oops, sorry, I caught your hair. Flip the other way. All right, is that good for you? Okay. So your question, so here's the deal. It's a breath test, okay? Come on, walk with me. Actually, before I do this, do you have anything on your, well, hear me out. Let me finish asking the question, okay? Do you have anything on your persons that the officer missed? Tylenol, aspirin, anything like that? Because anything that goes in there is a felony. So I ask everybody all the time. All right, come on over here. All right, if you provide a breath sample and your breath sample is above a .08, you're following me. If you provide a breath sample and your breath sample is above a .08, your license will be suspended for 6 months. If you refuse to provide a breath or urine sample, your license will be suspended for 1 year. Your right to an attorney has no relevance at this moment. So the ladies are going to ask inside if you
Officer Wilson receives a B+. The stop, FST administration, arrest, and implied consent advisement were all legally sound. The deduction. The walk and turn instruction phase ran too long. Probable cause existed before the exchange became circular. One clear statement, then proceed to arrest. Prolonging the stop on an active interstate created unnecessary risk. The subject receives a B-. She knew her rights and exercised them. She did not physically resist, and she complied with transport. But driving at 122 miles per hour is the reason this stop exists at all, and redirecting every exchange away from the FSTs did not protect her. It generated behavioral evidence of impairment that prosecutors can use at trial. 3 takeaways. Probable cause is cumulative. No single fact here is decisive, but together they form a record that is very difficult to challenge. For officers, when probable cause is established, act on it. Continued negotiation extends liability without legal benefit. For citizens, exercising rights and avoiding a test are not the same thing. The evidence already on the record does not disappear because the test was not completed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.